Hi guys, in front of me is ONEPLUS NORD 3 5G, and let me show you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So, at first you have to open the settings, then find and select additional settings, go to Backup and Reset, and select Google account under Google Backup. So if you already have a Google account added to this device, it will be automatically done, so it will be uploaded and you will be able to use this backup, and if not, just click on Add Account. Here, provide your email address or phone number. In my case, it's email address. And click on Next. Now enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. And as only the password is entered, tap on Next. Here, just mark if this device is yours or if it belongs to your kid. And click on Turn On. Well, that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.